welcome back, y'all. I just wanted to do a quick introduction video because I didn't get to really do one on my last one, but today I'm going to be bringing you along with me to go do an oil change, and then we're going to be installing a carbon fiber diffuser, but this time all on my 2024 RS3, if you can see that. There are a few things that I have already done to this car, which I will put in some clips here. So here we have a carbon fiber spoiler. This one is from SHS. And then we have installed 034's cold air intake with an open top. I do have a turbo inlet from CTS that I still need to install. I don't know exactly when that's going to happen. And then the last thing that we do have on it are the Unitronic mid pipes here. So today's carbon fiber diffuser is going to be from ECS. And I'm not really sure when I'm going to get the turbo inlet installed, but let's get started. In there. All held by tabs, which I don't want to take the bumper off because in the manual it says you have to recalibrate the sensors if you take the bumper off, which I don't really want to do that, which granted you probably won't have to, so my goal is to take off all of these tabs and see if it works. So I just popped this off. I just pulled off from the top here. Underneath I did break a tab, but it's all good. Pushed and pulled out on all of the tabs. Comparing the two side by side quickly here, I didn't want it to look too crazy. I felt like this looks closest to the factory, but we'll go ahead and get this put on. And then here we have it fully put on, up in the air of course. This was nice because it was just a quick pop in with the factory tabs. I didn't need any additional mounting hardware or anything like that. But we'll get the car back on the ground and then I'll show what it looks like in direct sunlight.